Hi there, this is Anna Dolopo, and this is my 100th video for my practice. The name of my practice is Elements in Harmony, Acupuncture, and Chinese Herbs. I've been in practice since 1999. This is my 21st year in practice, and my website is elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com. You can call my office landline at 949-305-1703. My cell phone that you can text is 619-341-4341. I respond to text much faster. If you're watching this, it's a high likelihood that you are not yet a patient at my acupuncture practice. You should have already by now have received my accountability part 5 video. I explain in that video what to expect in working with me, what to expect if you go under once a week, or 2 more times a week. This video is breaks down a few more details. First, my prices are subject to change. I just want to share that. It is right now July 27, 2020, and my current rates are as follows. It's $130 for the first visit. Your $130 includes an annual membership, an Elements in Harmony 1-year membership, where you get $10 off for 1 year. So your $130 is, I asked for an hour and a half to 2.5 hours for your first visit. During that time frame, we're going to spend 20 to 30 minutes talking privately in my private office, and then we're going to do a minimum of 45 minutes. So I do request that you allocate for yourself, when you're with me for the very first time, up to 2.5 hours or even longer, but definitely please do not be in a rush after your first treatment. So during your first treatment, plan to be with me for a few hours. That $130 includes a 1-year membership. So instead of the follow-up appointments without a private consultation is $90 without the membership. You get a membership. So instead of $90, it is $80 for a year. The average patient here, the typical patient here, does follow-up appointments without a private consultation. We were pretty comprehensive the first time. We just go straight to the table or the chair being the recliner, and we just go to work. The follow-up appointments are a minimum of 45 minutes. Again, my patients stay anywhere between an hour to 3 hours. I always guarantee 45 minutes. Please stay longer if I don't need the table or the chair. So again, the $130 includes a 1-year membership. For 1 year, you pay $80 instead of $90 for 1 year. My rates had gone up on February 1st, 2020. For patients who were patients before February 1st, you'd have to get a membership, an annual membership for $25. You don't have to buy the annual membership. You can just pay $90 per treatment. But if you want to save yourself $10 for a year, then please pay the $25 membership. There are different things that you get with a membership. I'm just going to share that right here in this video, just to make things short and sweet. You get a 1-year discount of $10 per treatment with the annual membership. Okay, so again, I'm just going to reiterate that in case I shared it a little too fast. $130 is your first visit. Please plan an hour and a half to 2.5 hours. Okay, that comes with a 1-year discount of $10 per treatment. If you would like to know what the rates are for your acupuncture treatment with a private 10-minute consultation, I'll send you those rates via text. So I don't want to bombard you with too many numbers, too much data here in this video. If you were a patient before February 1st, 2020, there is now an annual membership that you do not need to belong to. You can just pay the $90 per visit. It's like how it was before. The time frame here is still quite a long time. Minimum of 45 minutes, but 1 to 3 hours. So I haven't changed the treatment, just the price. But if you do want to have a 1 year membership and you're a current patient, I haven't seen you before, I saw you before February 1st, you can pay $25 for a 1 year membership, and it's 80 instead of 90. I do teach Qigong at the beach here in San Clemente once or twice a month, so you are welcome to do that. I just did my 99th video, and I'm highly recommending for all of my fertility patients to please commit to doing Qigong with me 1 to 2 times a month on the beach. It really increases your fertility. The reason why I'm sharing this here is because these days many people are coming in for stress and anxiety. This COVID-19 thing doesn't seem like it's going away anytime soon. We're here in Southern California. A lot of people are coming in with tremendous sleep issues, again, stress and anxiety and all the different symptoms that go along with it. So, I think it's very, very important if for those of you who would like to really relax. Acupuncture has many tremendous benefits for a person's physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Chinese herbs definitely have their place in strengthening our health and calming our minds, and they have their place. And Qigong is extremely powerful. When things were on really intense lockdown in the beginning of this COVID situation, I want to say at least 10 or 11 Qigong videos. I'm not a Qigong master, but I did do quite a few Qigong videos at home or here in my office. If you go to elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com and you go under videos, and I just looked just now, if you scroll down, it's Qigong. Again, I'm not a Qigong master, but I know enough to share with my patients some basic stuff that can really help boost immune system, relax the mind, really strengthen your breathing capacity, strengthen your libido, calm your spirit, and so much more. People of all ages are welcome. For people who are Elements in Harmony members, I will share with you my rates right now for Qigong. I want to make sure everything is correct. Just bear with me. For people who do Qigong with me, I do it rain or shine, and the next time I'm doing it happens to be this Wednesday morning at 9 a.m., July 29. And if you are an Elements in Harmony member, it is $10 instead of $30. So if you bring your friends or family, no matter what age, and they're doing Qigong with us, it is $30 for non-Elements in Harmony members. If you are a member, and if you've been a patient after March 1st, throughout 2020, you are a member of Elements in Harmony. So instead of $30, it's $10. If you happen to be an Anne's Happy Club member, it's free. So, and that's a whole different topic. I can talk to you about that when you're here. So that's part of the membership, is having Qigong at $10 instead of $30. And why, again, am I promoting the Qigong? It's because many people need to learn how to breathe better and have stronger lung capacity and strengthen your internal organs, increase your libido, calm your mind, and really, really boost your fertility. So I discuss that more in my fertility videos. Again, I've done 11 fertility videos so far. I just want to let you know, like in the accountability video, I explain what to expect if you go under once a week, or 2 more times a week. I'll just let you know, if you go 2 more times a week, I expect 30 to 70% improvement within 2 to 6 weeks. When you're at 100% for 2 weeks, go another 2 weeks at once a week. Then go another 5 to 9 months at once a month. That way we can ensure that you fully graduate. So please watch the accountability video. But I just want to break down, if you go 2 or more times a week, I want to see 30 to 70% improvement in 2 to 6 weeks. And when you're at 100% improvement, so we get 30, 70, 80, 90, 100 plus percent, or 100%. When you're at 100% for 2 weeks, whether you're coming in here for anxiety, palpitations, digestive issues, any internal issues, any neuromuscular issues, any neurological issues, cardiovascular issues, digestive issues, whatever you're going through, when you feel like dizzy issues, migraines, headaches, when you're at 100% for 2 weeks, please consider going an additional 2 weeks at once a week. Now you're at 4 weeks at 100%. And then please consider going another once a month for 5 to 9 months, so that we can ensure that you actually graduated. That is my specialty, is helping people graduate from pain and suffering. If you go to elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com, you'll see that I have sectioned off testimonials and certain other things. I sectioned off videos, case studies, fertility, internal health issues, pain, and more. But those are the main ones. In those first 5 to 15 treatments, definitely first 5 to 10 treatments, if you're better, I'm happy. If you're worse, I'm happy. When things don't change, if nothing changes in those first 5 to 10 treatments, that's when I get concerned. So I've explained to you my rates, and I've explained to you the membership, the Qigong, and also how my website works. To schedule, you can either schedule with me, just text me at 619-341-4341, or you can directly schedule online. If you schedule with me, just text me your full name and your email address. Every patient has to have their own email address. And just know that the first visit is an hour and a half to 2.5 hours. All visits, I guarantee a minimum of 45 minutes with the needles, but please plan as much as possible nothing for a few hours after your treatment, so that you can really benefit, soak in the amazing feeling that you're going to have from the acupuncture. Really spend your time here. I know it's hard for many people to just lie down and do nothing. Please bring earphones. That'll help if you're listening to a podcast, or ideally something relaxing, maybe a book, but something that's really going to calm your nerves, maybe help you check out, go to sleep, meditate, things like that. So my typical hours, they're subject to change. If you see right here, I have a family of 3 kids and a husband. So my hours are typical to change, they can change, but lately my hours have been Mondays 10 to 5, Tuesdays I start at 4 p.m, Wednesdays I'm typically off, Thursdays I only work 10 to 11 in the morning. So again, my patients stay about 1 to 3 hours. I always guarantee 45 minutes. And Fridays I work 10 to 5, and Saturdays I typically work 1 to 4, 1 to 5. I tend to extend my hours. You can schedule online, or you can schedule with me directly. So I hope all of this helps. You know now how I help people graduate. A lot of the data from my first 2 websites, moveyourqi.com and committedtobetterme.com, are being transferred to my new website, elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com. So I hope this has been very helpful, very comprehensive. If you'd like to talk with me over the phone, and if it's anything regarding your health, it needs to be done. Anything health related, we need to talk in private here in my office. I cannot discuss your health over the phone. So if you have any health questions, yes, that will be in here privately. Whatever people text me with and say, can you help me with this? The answer is highly yes. And I will share with you what to expect. If you go under once a week, or 2 more times a week, I will share with you that accountability video. If it's just to schedule, Please share with me via text what your availability is, how flexible you are, and I will find an appointment for you. Many patients find it far more effective and convenient. I should say they find it more convenient to schedule online. If it looks full, it probably is. So I hope now that you know what my schedule is and you know how many hours to expect to be with me. I can tell you also, the longer you spend with me per treatment, probably the shorter the duration overall that you'll have to be here. All right, it's already over 15 minutes. I'm so grateful that you watched this video. There are a lot more other benefits regarding Elements in Harmony membership, but the most important thing is once you pay the $130, again, prices are subject to change, but once you pay the $130 initial, you get a discount of $10 for a year. All right, take care, and I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to working with each of you. Take care.